Hey guys, welcome back to Garden Novices. It's early September. It's a hot one today, but I wanted to send out a video and show you guys what I had planned for the backyard for this fall, which includes irrigation to all the flower beds and a whole new raised bed design. So here we go. Before we get to the raised bed, just wanted to show you, we took some hostas out around the pond. They were just getting too much sun. They were frying. So there, if you remember the old video from the spring, we had a hosta there and one right there. So those are now gone. We'll end up planting something new there. The greenhouse is going to be chock full of flowers come February. So we'll see. I got a bunch of geraniums I don't know what to do with yet, and the hollyhocks are in the ground. All right, so we have two beds right now. One of these beds are going to move over to the side right where the berries are at, and that's going to be nothing but zinnias, cut flowers, stuff like that in there. We have a ton of zinnias out front, which I'll take you back to, but we really enjoy the cut flowers, so we're going to expand on that. So right now, like I said, two beds. This one's going to get cut down to a 6 foot by 3 foot, and that's going to be our strawberries. Might be easier if I just show you on the drawing I got what it's going to look like. All right, so as you can see where the deck is at there, we're going to have two 4 by 8 by 2 foot tall beds. The 3 by 6 by 2, that's put our strawberries in the middle there. Then we'll have two 4 by 4 by 2s, and then two more 4 by 8 by 2s. So we're going to greatly expand on our growing power. So like I also said, we're going to be doing irrigation as well. I might get to it early spring, maybe even late fall, but we're going to be doing drip irrigation all along through here, so that'll be one run. I may even set it back here for the azaleas. We're going to be doing a couple rows of irrigation in the main beds all the way down. All the way up through here. Then all the new raised beds are going to have irrigation in those as well, because I am done with the watering. I cannot handle it anymore. It takes up too much time, and I just know I'm wasting a ton of water, so we're going to fix that. Just give you a quick tour. Sorry for the mess. Yeah. Wildflowers have gone nuts. So yeah, with these zinnias, we're going to be doing a bunch of these in the bed in the back. And we'll do drip irrigation out front here as well. This bed's going to change. We're going to change the shape of it. So, all right guys, that's about it for this video. So we will see you on the next one, which will be the new raised bed build. We'll see you.